Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Wednesday. I'm always on the hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, please subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. Today I'm going to talk about Gucci Jackie 1961 Hobo bag. This bag has been re-released by Gucci a few months ago and very quickly became very popular. However, there are not that many videos online regarding this bag. That's why I decided I'm going to do one. This bag was first introduced by Gucci in 1961 and therefore it's called Gucci Jackie 1961, and the Jackie name is named after Jackie Kennedy, the First Lady of the United States. She loved this bag very much and she was very often photographed wearing it. You know how the revamping or reissuing the bags by different fashion houses become a big deal? Recently, many fashion houses did that, such as Prada or Chanel or Dior. Gucci is not an exception. They revamped their Jackie 1961 and released that again. Now it's introduced in variety of different textures, for example, Gucci canvas or leather or python. And also in different sizes, medium, small or mini. Guess which size I went for. Okay, that's quite obvious. I went for a mini size. The smallest, cutest, amazing little Jackie 1961 mini Hobo bag. It comes in the very popular and trendy silhouette, which is a Hobo bag style, and I absolutely loved it. Let's talk more about this. What I'm going to cover in this video is obviously a review of this bag, also what fits and the mod shots. I'm going to show you how I wear this bag. However, I need to be honest with you straight away, it's not my bag. My friend, and thank you very much, kindly offered me to have this bag for a few weeks to test drive it and decide if I am into this bag and I'm prepared to purchase that. Because the price point for this size and for this amount of leather, I wouldn't say very generous. In UK, this bag is retailed for £1,190, and I'm going to leave a little information below how much it is in dollars and euros as well. And that's why I'm very grateful to my friend who offered to test drive this bag for a few weeks for me to see if I'm actually love this bag and ready to purchase that, or would rather pass. At the end of the video, I will definitely make this decision. I will let you know what's going to happen. Am I going to purchase my own one, or I'm going to pass on this bag? But I will still going to be very fair about what I think. Let's have a look what we've got here. It's a classic GG Supreme canvas with a leather trimming all over the bag, and it's a classic Hobo silhouette with a little twist, which is one of the main things why I was so intrigued and so interested about this bag. Ta-da! It's a strap. You know how much I love those adjustable, removable straps, and they are, oh my god, must for me with the bags. Here we go. By revamping, Gucci added on this adjustable and removable strap, and I love this idea how this strap, it's made of leather and it's the same leather as the leather trimming all over the bag. This strap gets attached to the bag through this buckle on the bag, and you can adjust it to your liking. What else do we have here? I'm going to come back to the strap and I'm going to show more of that just in a minute. We have the piston closure over here. I like it, and so cute. I think it's so easy to close and open up. However, I don't think you can do this with just one hand. You still need to do the two hands action here. Inside the bag we have a microfiber interior with kind of like a suede finish. Really nice, and also one card holder slot, and that's it. The rest of that is just as I say, one big haul. But this particular mini size, it's not the big haul at all. No dividers, no compartments, no extra pockets. This bag is very lightweight. On the website it says 450 grams. However, I weighed this bag myself. Mine comes up a little bit less than that, around 410 grams, which is in my opinion very lightweight. And that's basically it about this bag appearance. Very simple, not much going on here, and this is what I like very much about the bag. I'm going to show more of that in the close-ups so you can see that bag closer. Let's go back to the removable and adjustable strap, and I'm going to show you how you can adjust the straps. And this is when we face the first problem of this bag. The leather is very stiff, and it actually takes me quite a while to open up this buckle and adjust the strap, to add the strap to the bag. It goes really hard, guys. Like, look at that. Oof. Not the smoothest process at all. As you can see, it's not the easiest process due to the fact that the buckle components are pretty small. However, it goes really well with the overall style of the bag, and therefore it's kind of necessary trade-off here. Now it's time to move on and see how much we can fit inside this bag with my usual combo of essentials. You know, the capacity, one of the things which plays a massive role in the decision making regarding the bag. Let's see. I have my essentials here, and I'm going to check how much we're going to fit into this mini size of Gucci Jackie 1961. I'm opening piston closure here. Voila. We will start with our main essential, my phone. It's a iPhone Plus size. As you can see, the case is getting bending a little bit. However, I can guarantee that iPhone Plus size, which is the same length as the Max Pro, 16 centimeters, easily goes in there. So it's sitting there inside the bag. Keys, mask, our main essential nowadays, flat card holder, and a lipstick. Oh, voila! All of that easily goes inside there, and it's not bulking up here at all, so I probably would be able also to add maybe a hand sanitizer or a small hand cream inside. However, and here we are facing the second problem with this bag. When you're on the go and you're wearing this bag crossbody and you're trying to take your iPhone, in my case plus size, out of the bag, you are face some struggles. And I would be able to demonstrate with this phone case, but with the phone, believe me, it's even more struggle when you are trying to take this out. And when you're trying to put it back in the bag, Again, when you're on the go, when you are handling a few things at the same time, it's really hard to put your phone back in of the plus size because your bag is already full with other things inside. And I actually ended up quite a few times a living phone like this, which is not the safest way. However, that wouldn't be a problem if the phone has a smaller length than the 16 centimeters, and if it's a smaller size. That is just it easily goes in there and finally sitting inside. Let me show you quick close-ups of this Gucci Jackie 1961 mini Hobo bag. So you can see the quality of GG Supreme canvas and the leather trimming all over the bag. The piston closure with the whole gold hardware on the buckle and the closure itself. Also, we have a little Gucci embossing on this closure. A bag does not have any feet. And that's the bag as well. Let's open it up. Inside, as I mentioned before, we have microfiber interior with a suede finish, one card holder slot, no other compartments or pockets. I love how Gucci added on a strap to this beautiful Jackie 1961 Hobo bag, which makes this bag pretty versatile. So first of all, my favorite, and you know that my favorite way, is a crossbody. It goes so well with so many casual outfits. And then you can go shoulder, left or right. It looks beautiful as a shoulder bag as well. And then you can remove the strap and rock this beautiful cutie as a handbag, just in your hands or a crook of your arm. It's not that much space there, but it still allows you to go on the crook of your arm. And at the same time, you can try to wear that around your hip area or under your armpit as well. There are quite a few ways you can wear this bag. Okay, it's time to reveal if I'm going to purchase my own Gucci Jackie 1961 in the mini style or not. It's a super cute bag. I love it. I love it how it looks like a little purse with a handle. I love the adjustable removable strap situation. I like how it's sitting cross body, and it goes so well with the casual outfits as well due to the Gucci Supreme canvas. However, this is a stiff buckle situation, and the fact that I'm struggling to take my phone off this bag when I'm on the go, and I actually need to stop and open the piston and then pull the phone out of this bag, and then I'm actually struggling to put it back, that stops me from buying this bag, unfortunately, and I don't think I'm going to purchase anytime soon. However, as I mentioned before, I'm very grateful to my friend, hi there, for the opportunity to test drive this bag and to decide for myself. If you have a smaller size phone than Plus size or Max Pro, I think that would be perfect. It will be easily going inside and you can easily take this out of the bag, and that won't be a problem for you. However, I'm going to mention that again. It's a super cute bag and I love the appearance of that. Thank you very much for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I was enjoying test driving this beautiful Gucci Jackie 1961 mini Hobo bag. If you did, please hit thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, hit notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!